Hello, welcome back again, guys. So if you guys, by the way, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and while you're at it, please give us a thumbs up for this video. So unboxing and first impressions ever for this fragrance right here. This is Club de Nuit Intense Men Eau de Parfum by ARMAF. This is a huge size, 200 ml size bottle. So let's open it, and I'm gonna show you the presentation and everything about this fragrance. I'm not gonna open it and make all that noise and all of that, so I'll cut it short and edit it for you. So this is my first impressions ever for this fragrance, the Eau de Parfum version, the Club de Nuit Intense Men, the Eau de Parfum. I already know about the EDT, and as you guys know, it is one of the most and best selling fragrances in the last 4 to 5 years, if I can, I think 5 years. It is one of the most selling ones. It was yes, it was released from before, but the real hype and the huge hype that it got was like in 2018 and around at that time. And this one is the Eau de Parfum version, and I believe it was released in 2020, if I'm not mistaken. And there is another version that came after, which is the Parfum version. So as I said, this is a 200 ml size. As you can see, we have the name of the fragrance right here, Club de Nuit Intense Men Eau de Parfum concentration, 200 ml size, 6.8 fluid ounces Eau de Parfum concentration. I like this type of feel on the box. It's really nice. Over here we have the ARMAF stamp, if you guys want to see closely, and it's a little bit dusty. Over here we have another stamp for the authentication, and this is very, very important, guys. Really make sure that your boxes or bottles have this stamp. It is for the authentication for your fragrance, because also, yes, Club de Nuit Intense Men also have copies and fake ones. And if I get a fake of this fragrance, I will definitely if I come across one and if I get it in my hand, I will definitely try to buy it, then do a video comparison between the authentic one and the fake one. So right here also we have the Club de Nuit Intense Men, the name of the fragrance. I hope that you guys can see it well. And right here we have the name of the company, ARMAF, the French company, Sterling Parfum. And we have over here the website, and over here it is saying from the house of Sterling. Not Raheem Sterling, but the company. Anyways, over here we have the batch right here. I hope that you guys can see it. And we have the production date, November 2021, and the expiration date, November 2026. Made in France, so it's not a made in UAE. Over here we have some informations in Russian and other languages, and about the ingredients and all that, and the barcode right here and other information. So let's take off the bottle without any further ado. So for the box, as you can see over here, we have the ARMAF logo once again, and we have the name of ARMAF right here on the box. Right here, just like Creed Aventus, we have this special card. It is like they advertise in the other flankers, if I can say that. Club de Nuit Intense Man, Club de Nuit Sillage, this one right here, and over here Club de Nuit Milestone and Club de Nuit Woman right here. Over here, if you guys want to see, I know that a lot of you have seen this, and they don't really need to see it, but some people they haven't before, so these videos are important for them. We have some text already here. There is no need to read them for you. So let's take the bottle out from the box. Come here, you beautiful bottle. So right here it is, the massive 200 ml size bottle. It is pretty heavy, to be honest with you guys. I think I need to start hitting the gym, start lifting. I felt like this one is really heavy, and it is heavy. Right here it says Club de Nuit Intense Men. As you can see, we have the ARMAF logo, the cap, the iconic cap. You know, as I always said, this is one of my favorite caps when it comes to fragrances. Even though I'm not a big fan of ARMAF, but this cap is really something. I think the person that designed this is really special and very creative. This is a lovely cap. I am in love with the cap, so I'm sorry if I'm giving it way too much time. Over here it says Club de Nuit. Go shawty, it's your birthday. And right here it says ARMAF Club de Nuit Intense Men, 200 ml, the ingredients, and somehow it's not saying Eau de Parfum right here, which I find a little bit not that professional. But anyways, let's spray this fragrance. Also, yes, I completely forgot. Also on here, on the atomizer, we have the ARMAF. Let me turn it. The ARMAF logo, insignia. I hope that you guys see it very well. Yes, now you can see it. So let's spray this fragrance. I already sprayed that fragrance right here earlier, so I'm gonna spray a Club de Nuit Intense on my right hand for the very first time and smell it and tell you what I think. Alright, okay, let's put this one to the side right here. Okay, let's smell it. Right away, pineapple and more pineapple. Okay, the opening is definitely much better than the opening for the EDT. This Eau de Parfum is smoother. Quite a surprise. Yeah, and it's very close to Creed Aventus, especially the pineapple-y batches. I hope that you guys can hear me well, even though I am outside and there is some noise. Well, I really like, I was going to say I love, but I really like this opening for Club de Nuit Intense Men Eau de Parfum. This is a proper Eau de Parfum fragrance. You know, there is a lot of fragrances that call themselves, or they are named, or they are called that they are Eau de Parfum, and they don't really have that Eau de Parfum vibe to it. But this one, yes, right from the opening, you feel that it is much more dense, much more concentrated than the EDT. Yeah, and I like it so far. I really enjoy it. The opening is really nice, very Aventus-y, very pineapple-y. As I said, especially the pineapple-y Aventus batches. It is really nice so far. Yeah, I'm smelling it and re-smelling it. I like it. To be honest with you, I think I like this one even more than the EDT. And it feels like it's gonna, yeah, it feels like it's gonna last. It has this projection power to it. It feels like this fragrance feels like, yeah, it's giving me the impression that it is long-lasting and also projecting. Alright, I think, yes, I think for me this is it for the first impressions. But I will definitely do a review for it and tell you all about the how do you call it? The performance, projection, longevity, versatility, and all of that. And by the way, in case you haven't seen my video for the review and unboxing for Oud For Glory by Lattafa, it is an inspired fragrance from Oud For Greatness by Initio. So check it out, the video, the link right below this video in the description box. And also for Anna Al-Malik, which is believed to be an inspiration and a clone of Dior Sauvage that we have over here, yes. And I will try to do a review for Darish, which is more important. And I already also did a review for Oud 24 Hours, which is believed to be a clone of Tom Ford Black Orchid. I will leave the links right below the description box, right below this video. Also for this beauty right here that I revisited earlier this month. This is Zara Night pour Homme 2 Winter. I did a video unboxing, a review, full review for this fragrance. If you guys want to check it out, I will leave also the link in the description box. This one is a great substitute for Versace Eros, if you guys want to check it out. Anyways, I think this is it for our video. Thank you guys for watching. This was the unboxing and first impressions for ARMAF Club de Nuit Intense Men Eau de Parfum. Thank you so much. Please give us a thumbs up and see you next time for the review. Stay tuned for the full review for this fragrance. Take care. Bye.